And this is a look from our downtown Grand Rapids tower cam right now. You can see the clouds. We did have partly cloudy skies earlier today, and it felt like early fall instead of midsummer.
But warmer weather is returning with clear skies.
George is in the Weather Center now with our first look at the forecast. George.
Got some scattered showers out there as well, guys, but there are more rain and thunderstorms in the forecast. 3 rounds expected here over the next several days. Other than that, we've got to look at how much rain is anticipated. This is our new European model, very high resolution. You can see 1 round of rain coming through. That's around Wednesday. Another round toward the weekend. And then as we get late in the weekend, early next week, another round. A total of over 3.5 inches of rain is expected, and that is certainly going to compound areas off to our north with those river levels. Around West Michigan right now, you saw on the tower cam, there's some heavy looking clouds. There are some scattered showers that are moving through West Michigan right now, so you may catch a shower as you head out this evening, especially here in portions of Muskegon, Ottawa, and even northwestern Kent County. You can see over the last couple of hours, those showers have been rotating out of Wisconsin, heading down into even Grand Rapids here. I expect to start pouring any minute here at the studios. But again, those showers will move on out. But then we have some cooler weather here this evening. We're still only in the low and mid 60s, upper 50s to the north and west, but we are going to warm up into the 70s starting tomorrow. And then here comes the first of 3 rounds of rain. That'll be late Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night through Thursday morning. We have a complete weekend and a holiday weekend forecast, including the 4th of July coming your way a little bit later on.
Well, brace yourself because we could be seeing temperatures in the low 50s tonight. The warm-up is not far off.
George is outside on the weather deck to show us when summer will make its return, because it definitely feels like autumn out there today, George.
It does indeed, and I'd be surprised if I get through this weathercast without getting wet. There's a big round of some showers. It's getting windy out here as well. But yes, our cool weather is coming to an end. We're going to see warmer temperatures from here on out. 13 weather ball is red tonight, and that means warmer weather ahead, just gradually over the next couple of days. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. You can expect a shower here this evening. Temperature very cool, 61 degrees. Then skies will clear, and we'll see temperatures down into the low 50s, but that's not much cooler than what we saw here this morning. You can see from sunrise on, we've had a lot of fair weather cumulus clouds. You can see an area of some showers just bearing down on Ottawa and Kent counties. That heavy rain right now, we're not too far away. We're located right about here, so I expect it to rain here very shortly. I'm going to try to get through the weathercast before I get wet. But there are a number of some scattered showers coming down through the upper Midwest, and then those will slide to the south and east very quickly overnight tonight, and then they'll push on out during the evening hours. So we'll end up with some clear skies, and then we'll see some sunshine here during the day tomorrow. As I go and grab my umbrella, it's starting to rain out here. And then as we get through tomorrow, it'll be just a nice sunny day, a very pleasant day with temperatures well up into the low 70s. We haven't seen 70s since Friday. And then another round of rain coming. This will come very early on Wednesday evening through very early on Thursday morning. You can see that will be enough to put down another 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch of rain. It'll all be done by Thursday morning. Sun breaks out Thursday afternoon, but so does the high humidity. It really starts to get steamy here as we get toward the end of next week. And then temperatures are going to be up into the low 70s here tomorrow. Look at all that warm air building off to our west. That's what's going to start to head in our direction later on this week. After those showers roll through on Wednesday, we'll reach 77 in the afternoon, and then warm up to 80 finally by Thursday. And we're not going to stop there. We'll finally be up into the low and mid 80s as we get closer to the 4th of July. The longer range outlook, which does include the entire holiday weekend, still says we'll be right around or near average with the temperatures. And of course, with all the rain expected, we have a pretty good chance of seeing a wetter than average conditions. Most of that will be very early in the holiday weekend. Out on Lake Michigan, small craft advisories remain in effect until midnight. 6 to 7 foot waves this evening will drop to around 2 to 4 feet by the end of the afternoon or end of the night. And because of the high waves, there's a high risk for rip currents all evening long out there. So stay away from especially the north channel walls and north piers, because that's where the most dangerous waves will be. Forecast then for tonight, look for that evening shower, and then skies will become mostly clear. About 48 to 51 for your overnight lows. Up north, best chance will be an evening shower here as temperatures fall into the upper 40s. And from Grand Rapids southward, we can expect perhaps that evening shower and then mainly clear skies as temperatures fall back into the upper 40s to near 50 degrees. 5-day planner has us up into the mid 70s and higher humidity as those afternoon and evening showers and even thunderstorms roll on through. They'll end by Thursday morning. But then as we get toward late night Thursday through Friday, a pretty good chance of the second round of storms coming through. And then as we head into July and the holiday weekend, it should be just fine with highs around 77. 13 on target forecast. 79 on Sunday, and then on Monday we'll see some afternoon storms which will affect the overnight hours. It may affect some of the holiday parades early on Tuesday morning next week, but I think skies will clear by afternoon and we'll see temperatures up around 80 degrees, and then the real summer-like weather comes in next week with highs in the mid-80s. Said I wouldn't make it through without getting wet out here on the weather deck. It's coming down.
Yeah, and I don't know if you grabbed the umbrella or someone ran into you. Either way, good looking out, George.
I planned ahead. I knew it was going to happen while I was out here.
Well done. Thank you, sir.